This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 4, Part 1, Lesson 20. In this lesson, we're going to continue using place value discs and the vertical representation of an addition problem to show how the two correspond. My first problem is 53 plus 57. I'm going to start by showing both numbers on the place value chart. 53 is made up of 5 tens, so I'll start by showing my 5 tens. And 3 ones. 57 is also made up of 5 tens, so I'll show that, and 7 ones. I'm going to start adding in my ones column. I see in my ones place that I have 10 ones. We know that if we have 10 or more of a number in any certain place value, we need to regroup those and move those to the next column. So I'm going to take my 10 ones and I'm going to combine them and turn them into 110. So I'll move those over into my tens column. Now to show that down below, I had 3 ones, I added 7 ones to that. Now I don't have any ones because I moved those over into my tens column as 10 ones. Now when I look at my tens place, I have 10 tens in that top place value chart. So I'm going to take those 10 tens and combine them into 100. 10 groups of 10 is the same as 100. So I'm going to move those over there into my hundreds column. So I no longer have those discs and I no longer have those. To show the addition down below, I had the 110 that I moved over from my ones place, and I added it to 5 tens and 5 more tens. That gave me 11 tens. So I have 1 10 left. The other 10 I moved over into my hundreds column. So I'm going to show that I moved the 10 groups of 10 over into my hundreds column as 100. And then I would show that down below. So 53 plus 57 is 110. Let's look at another problem. This time I have 65 plus 36. I'll start by showing 65 on the place value chart. Well, 65 is made up of 6 tens and 5 ones. 36 is made up of 3 tens and 6 ones. Looking in my ones column, I see that I have 11 ones, so I'm going to take 10 of those, combine them and regroup them into 110, move those over, so those are gone. Down below I had 5 ones plus 6 ones, that gave me 11 ones. I regrouped and moved 10 of those into my tens column, that left me with 1 1. Now when I look in my tens column, I have 10 tens. So I'm going to take those 10 tens, combine those into 100. So I'll move that over to the hundreds column. Those are gone. When I do my addition down below, I had 110 plus 6 tens, which is 7 tens, and then 3 more tens gives me 10 tens. Well, I moved all of those over to the hundreds column. That left me with no tens and 100. So my final answer for 65 plus 36 is 101.